Welcome to BL Logo Showcase. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through setting up both the Simplified Logo Showcase and the Unlimited Logo Showcase. To add a Simplified Logo Showcase, open your Shopify theme editor and select the page where you want to display your logos. Click Add Block and choose Logo Showcase Basic. This block lets you display up to 7 logos in a clean and simple layout. For unlimited logos, we'll use a different approach. First, add the Infinite Logos section block. This block controls the general layout settings for your logo showcase. Next, add Infinite Logos item blocks below it, one for each logo you want to display. There's no limit to how many you can add. With the Infinite Logos section, you can adjust spacing, alignment, and layout to fit your design perfectly. That's it. With BL Logo Showcase, displaying brand logos has never been easier.